Hello students and friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to start the summary of the center of gravity and moment of inertia. Just I explain the concept, how we'll find the center of gravity and how to find the moment of inertia. So I will take one big section, Z section, and I will explain now. So I am taking just at random one data and Z sections. This is the Z section. Just I will take some simple data and I will explain the concept. Suppose this given 20 centimeter, then this given 15 centimeter, and total if they will give from here total they will give suppose 30 centimeter, and all the wave gap is 5 centimeter. Wave gap means this gap thickness will be 5 centimeter. Sometimes you will see this dimension they will not give. Suppose they given 20 or they given 200, or sometimes they write only 20. So the 20 means centimeter, 200 na mm. Like this you can assume yourself. Like this sometimes may happen. Generally it will not happen, but sometimes may will happen. So now how to find the center of gravity, then moment of inertia I will explain now. So see, this is the given Z section. So what is our first work? First work is assume the axis of reference. Axis of reference now you have to assume in the first coordinate only, because we know first coordinate will be both positive. So this given Z sections will assume as a axis of reference in the first coordinate. So what is the first coordinate? Now see here, this is called axis of reference. Now this is 0, 0, this is the x, this is the y. So now I taken the first Z section is first step is axis of reference. Now we'll cut the section. So see here so many ways has to cut the section. You can cut this way and this way. So this full will be one section. This will be half section. This will be one section. 3 sections will be there. So generally what you do now, you cut this section this way. Cut this section this way. Or you can cut horizontally, nothing wrong. Okay. So give the dimensions either this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. This 1, 2, 3. Any one name, give anything. This 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, whatever. So first what it did, I assume the axis of reference in first coordinate and taken the section, 3 sections. Now what is our work? So what you will do here, all the sections you take out. It will be easy for us. Little bigger. All the sections you take out. Suppose this I taken first sections. What is this? Is 20 and 5. 20 and 5. You see this section I taken. Suppose you will cut this way, it will come 15 into 5. Then these sections will come different dimension. Now second dimensions, what is? Second one I taken, this total taken. So you take this, okay, you keep like this, so it will be also easy. Or you can take this also, nothing wrong. So 5 and 5 gone now, this will come 20. 20, this 5. Then third sections will be, you take 15 and 5. Suppose before I taken this way now, you can take 10 and 5. Then these sections will come 25. Nothing wrong. Okay. So anything you can take. This we taken. Now what is the formula for the center of gravity? X bar is equal to 3 sections is there. A1 x1 plus A2 x2 plus A3 x3. Total area A1 plus A2 plus A3. If you take y bar, what is A1 y1 plus A2 y2 plus A3 y3 divided by total area. What is the total area? Total area will be A1. Total area will be, one more black pen. Total area will be, not working. A1 plus A2 plus A3. A1 plus A2 plus A3. So total area. Okay. Now look here. What is unknown? Area. So first, what is area? A1 here, 20 into 5. Whatever unit you will write. Okay. That I am giving only shortcut concept. A2 will be 20 into 5. What is A3 is equal to 15 into 5. A1, A2, A3 over. Now unknown is x1, x2, x3. x1, x2, x3. So x1 will measure from the vertical line. X1 will measure from the vertical line. Y1 will measure from the horizontal line. Y1 will measure from the horizontal lines. Okay. So why we are doing like this? See, this is the x equal to the y equal to 0 line. This is x equal to 0 line. This is y equal to 0 line. So x where will increase? If will go this x distance. If will go, this is the x distance. But y distance, this is the y distance. This is the y distance. So y distance will take from vertical. X distance will take from the horizontal. Okay. This is y distance. This is x distance. So now 1 not 20 by 2. Because center of gravity we are taking out 20 by 2. But where is this from the axis of reference? So this distance is how much? 10. 10 plus 20 by 2 you will write. So listen here, this distance is 10 because total distance is 15. So this 10. 10 plus 20 by 2. X2. 10 plus 5 by 2. Because this thickness I have to take. Third one 15 by 2 over. Now y1, y2, y3. y1, y2, y3. From the horizontal line. So this thickness how much? 5. So 5 by 2. So always you write like this format 10 plus 20 by 2. If you calculate it's coming 20. But don't write directly 20. Don't write this calculation part. 10 plus 5 by 2 like this you write. It will be easy for the examiner. y2 5 plus this half distance. How much this one? 20. So 20. So 5 plus 20 by 2. 5 plus 20 by 2. y3. y2 already. y2. y2 will be 5 plus 20 by 2. What is y3? y3 will be 5 plus how much? 20 plus 5 by 2. This half distance. This is the half distance. This is the half distance. This is the half distance. This is y1. This is y2. This is y3. This will take na x1. This will take na x2. This will take na x3. So this is the distance. Once you substitute, you will get the answer. Once you substitute, get the answer. So center of gravity for this point. Then what is the concept of the moment of inertia? Here itself I will explain now. So this is the concept. If you know this, you can find the center of gravity. Now moment of inertia I will explain here itself. So now we know the parallel axis theorem. What is parallel axis theorem? Ig plus AH square. You remember this only parallel axis theorem where Ig is individual section of moment of inertia, A is area of this individual section, H is difference between final center of gravity minus individual center of gravity. So how we write? First Ix will write now. See how I am writing. It states carefully. 3 sections. So I x1 plus I x2 plus I x3. 3 sections I wrote. Now write parallel axis theorem for first one. So we'll write Ig plus AH square. Again for this Ig plus AH square. For this again Ig plus AH square. I wrote this. Now we'll differentiate. Section 1. So 1 for x. So x suffix. Section 2. So this is for xx. Section 3. This is for xx. Where h1x equal to y bar minus y1. You have to careful. Ixx na x1 equal to y bar minus y1. h2 x equal to nothing but y bar minus y2. h3 x nothing but y bar minus y3. So this is the answer. Now Ig1. I already told the trick that. Again you listen here. So that is a bit time. This is section 1, 20 into 5. This is section 2, 20 into 5. This is section 3, 15 into 5. Okay. This is section 3, 15 into 5. How will take the Ig1? Area already you know. X bar you will, Y bar will calculate. Y1, Y2, Y3 you know. Only Ig1 if you know, you can. So what is Ig1? See here about XX. What is the trick I told before also? If Ixx you are taking, see this line is perpendicular to 5. 5 getting crossed. So we have to mercy for that 5. So give 5 cube into 20 by 12. Because rectangle having BD cube by 12 or DB cube by 12. Either XX or YY. Suppose this is B, this is D. So Ixx, this is Ixx. This is IYY. So this remember very difficult. So how you remember? Draw the horizontal line. What is there here? 5. 5 getting crushed. Getting crushed now, you feel some mercy there. It's some simple trick to remember. 5 cube, give support them. 20 by 12. So what you write here? 5 cube, 20 by 12. This is called IXX. If you write IYY, what you write? 20 cube. 20 cube 5 by 12 for this first section. Suppose you are taking from the second section. What will the 20? So 20 cube into 5 by 12 for IXX or IG1X. IG1X. Okay, IG2X. No, second section is na IG2X. This is IG1. You can write whatever I wrote notation. IG1X. This is IG1Y. So IG2X, IG2Y. Again, what you write? I am writing here. IG2Y. IG2Y na, this vertical line. What is that? 5 cube into 20 by 12. Similarly here, if you take IG3X, what will write? 5 cube into 15 by 12. If IG3Y you will write. What will write? 15 cube into 5 by 12. If all those things you substitute, you know IG1, IG2, IG3. Then similarly, formula if you write IGY, that formula also I will write here. See here. What I will write here? IG1Y plus A1Y plus Y1 into H1 Y square. This is called IYY. IY1 Y1 plus IY2 Y2 plus IY3 Y3. So here what will write here? IG2Y plus A2 H2 Y. This is square, this also is square, everywhere is square will be the correct. Plus IG3Y plus A3 H3Y is square. Here what is H1Y? X bar minus X1. What is H1, H2Y? X bar minus X2. What is H3Y? X bar minus X3. So now look here. If will be there IXX, remember this part. IXX, remember this part. Y bar minus Y1, Y bar minus Y2, Y bar minus Y3. If IYY, X bar minus X1, X bar minus X2, X bar minus X3. This is the main. How we will get the IG1Y? Vertical line 20 cube 5 by 12. If IG1X, horizontal line 5 cube 20 by L. So suppose this 20 cube 5 cube, IXX 5 cube, YY 15 cube. If you substitute this, you will get the moment of inertia. A very big terms will get. Suppose this is centimeter, so unit will get centimeter power 4. This way you can calculate the center of gravity moment of inertia. Any sections, given sections L, given sections L, given section T, given sections I, whatever sections they will give, you have to calculate. This is the method. If one problem you understand, you can solve any homogeneous sections like problems. Okay, students, thank you.